If you want to turn up the heat for a hot new look, you need Hot Jewels, the sizzling new body jewelry that creates dazzling designs in seconds. Just pick a design from the Hot Jewels bling. Place the pattern wherever you want to dazzle. Just dab a damp cloth to instantly enjoy an amazing design with brilliant shine. Just apply, wet and peel. It's that easy. Sizzling hot jewelry that looks so real. Choose from any of the Hot Jewels collections. The stunning shine of Hot Jewels can make you glitter like gold or sizzle in silver. Look cool in the pool. Hot Jewels is water resistant, lasts up to 6 days, or remove easily with baby oil whenever you'd like. Look blazing hot in that little black dress. With Hot Jewels, you'll dazzle in dozens of different looks. Be creative and design a hot new look every day. Bling it out with a bracelet, add an armband and necklace. Hot Jewel your shoulder for a look that's bolder. There's no limit on how many Hot Jewels looks you can create. There's a perfect design for every occasion. Layer them with your favorite jewelry for a fantastic 3D effect. Turn heads with a sizzling Hot Jeweled neckline. Hot Jewels never sweat off, and you'll never lose Hot Jewels. Perfect for risk-free travel. No more broken bling, lost earrings and rings. Now transform your look with Hot Jewels collections, tribal, classic, feathers, or love. Each collection comes with dozens of dazzling designs. But wait! As a special TV offer, we're so sure you'll love Hot Jewels. If you buy 3 collections, we'll send you the 4th collection absolutely free. For the hottest looks, day after day after day, call or